Everyone, it's Brenda with Busy Bees Custom Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute Merry Christmas zipper tumbler. Isn't this adorable? Alright, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello everyone. So here we are just applying the vinyl to the tumbler, using the squeegee to kind of get it on there nice and tight. I'm going to cut off the excess where it overlaps there. And then in this next step, I'm just going to trim the top and the bottom. I have my little cutter here. It makes it so much easier to do. And then we are going to go ahead and put masking tape over that vinyl, because we're going to go ahead and use the Helios glitter glue to apply the glitter to this tumbler. And this way you won't get any glitter onto that vinyl. So when you're putting your glitter glue on, you want to make sure you do even coats so that it's not like lumpy in one place or anything like that. You just want to make sure you get full coverage and continue on with your glitter glue and paint. You can also use the epoxy method to do your glitter if you want. There's several different ways you can do it. You want to remove the tape right away so that it doesn't adhere to your tumbler. Then we're going to put our first layer of epoxy onto the tumbler, making sure that you go over the edge and you don't stop like right at the edge, so you don't have a buildup of epoxy on the edges. Then we're going to torch it to get rid of any of the micro bubbles. Our next step is to apply the Merry Grinchmas sticker. We're going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to put on a layer of the Quick Coat urethane sealer from CCDIY, just to make sure that that label doesn't pop off or anything like that. Then we're going to use some nail tape to tape around the bottom so it has a finished look. And then we're going to apply a zipper to this tumbler. Now this is just a zipper I got from Amazon. I'm cutting away the excess fabric here because you don't need that on your tumbler. And then you just want to hit it with a little heat to get rid of those frayed edges. Then we're going to use the UV resin. I use the J. Diction low viscosity resin. I will have that link down in my description as well. So you're just going to apply some of that UV resin and then put it under either the heat lamp for like 2 to 3 minutes to make sure it's fully cured. Or you can use, if it's a sunny day, you can put it out in the sun. Or I have also a little like UV flashlight that I use. You just want to cure it for 2 to 3 minutes, and like I said, once you hit it with that UV light, that it's there for good. So you want to just line it up and hit it with that light again and continue doing that. And then when I get to the top here, I'm going to trim off that zipper, the excess, because we don't need that on there. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of the tumbler. Sorry, I got a little off screen there. There we go. And just continue around and then cut off that excess. Okay, so next we're going to cover up that little zipper pull, because you don't want any epoxy getting into that little hole, because you won't be able to change out your zipper pull if you do that. So I'm just going to do a thin coat of epoxy here to cover that all up. I don't want it to glob around the zipper, so I'm just going to use a real thin coat on this tumbler so that it doesn't, pull around that zipper area. And I just didn't have it hooked onto my tumbler properly, so sorry, my tumbler turner. So it was moving around on me. So once you get a good coat, you're going to make sure and use your heat gun to pop any micro bubbles that you might have. And then once that is all done, we're going to change out that zipper pull. And I chose this really cute Grinch zipper pull. So we're going to add that to the tumbler. And then we are all done. I love how it turned out. Thanks for watching.